In this lecture, we will talk about sketching of limits and how to make graphs. So it is the first part. In the first part, we will discuss how to sketch lines. Usually the limits are in linear function and the linear functions draws lines. Linear function mean when y and x has power 1, right? So these are linear functions. So to draw any limits, we have to draw y-axis first, which is a vertical line, and then x-axis, which is a horizontal line. So the y-axis, positive y-axis, upward, negative, downward, the negative y-axis. Positive axis is on right and negative axis on left. So whenever we have given equations of linear equations, they represent line. So how many types of lines are there? The first of all, we have horizontal lines. So the horizontal line are anything y is equals to constant, right? For example, you have given limit from 0 to 1. It's mean this is 0 and this is 1. So we see y0 or y1 is a horizontal line. The y0 is crossing the 0. It is x-axis, which basically, and y1 is when y is 1. It is the horizontal line crossing from y is equals to 1, right? So anything y constant mean any number, it represents horizontal line. For example, if you have y limit, y is equals to 4, it's mean 1, 2, 3, 4. You have to draw a horizontal line from here, right? So the first type is horizontal line. Now the second type is vertical line. So what do you think? What is vertical line will be? When horizontal line is y constant, then vertical line will be x constant. It is opposite. Vertical x constant, horizontal y constant, right? So it's mean whenever you have limit x from 1 to 2, x is equals to 1, x is equals to 2, you will draw here where x is equals to 1, you will draw this vertical line here. And then when x is equals to 2, you will draw the x2 is this. So you can see this is the vertical line. X is equals to 2 and x is equals to 1. If you have to draw x is equals to 0, so this will be the y-axis crossing this. So we have horizontal lines and vertical lines. These are the fundamental lines. Now there's another lines. The inclined lines. The inclined line is y is equals to x. It is on 90 degree. Y is equals to x. So if you want to move this line upward direction, you want to stretch here, you will write it y is equals to 2x. Because when x is 1, y is equals to 2 and it will stretch in this direction. If you want to stretch in downward direction, you can write y is equals to 1 by 2x. It will stretch in this direction, right? So this is the third type of line, inclined line. There's another type of line, which is also not a straight line. When you have an equation like this, y is equals to x minus 2. So how to plot this line? So to plot this line, you will consider what happen if you're standing in x-axis. So when you are standing in x-axis, you are on x-intercept. The y is 0, and you use y0 in this equation, you'd get x is equals to and x is equals to 2. So it means whenever you are standing on x-axis and you have x is equals to 2, this is the point. So when you are on y-axis, it is y-intercept, and on y-intercept, we are standing on y-axis, x is 0. You use x0 in this equation, you get 0 minus 2, y is equals to minus 2. So this is the point, maybe y is equals to minus 1, minus 2. So this is the point where y is minus 2. So you got 2 points. When you got 2 points, you can join this point and get the direction of the equation. So this is y is equals to x minus 2. This is also an inclined line. So there are three types of line: horizontal line, vertical line, and inclined line in the graph.